to use template in PowerPoint presentation. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily use templates or pre-ready-made templates inside of your PowerPoint presentation application. So whether you are using PC or laptop, just head over to your search bar and just search in for PowerPoint. So as you can see, I've already searched in for PowerPoint. So once you're inside your PowerPoint, just click on this provided designs or templates, which the latest version of PowerPoint already provides you. So you can choose any one of them. You can also choose themes. So I'll just click on this minimalistic presentation over here, which I like and which I prefer. So to create a templates, start from the start in your presentation, just make sure you have selected the right theme and templates and just click on create, and it will automatically create all of the templates required for your new presentation slides, just like this in a bit. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.